Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to today's online session of accountancy class. Today, we will discuss more about accounting for bills of exchange. In our previous class, we have discussed some problems related to retaining the bill till the date of maturity and discounting the bill with bank. Let us discuss rest of the two cases of dealing with the bill, that is, endorse the bill in favor of a creditor and sending the bill for collection. Case 3, that is when the bill is endorsed in favor of the creditor. So suppose, as we saw in previous slide, drawer, he have 4 options to deal with this bill. If he made a decision that he will endorse the bill to his creditor. So what is the accounting entry he has to follow? When the holder of a bill transfers the bill to a third party, the bill is sent to have been endorsed or negotiated. The person who endorses the bill is called the endorser. The person to whom the bill is endorsed is called the endorsee. So you can see A is the endorser and his creditor is known as the endorsee. Okay. So the bill which have been accepted by B, it is sent to the creditor of A. Now let's see what is the journal entry in this case. Creditor account will be debited to bills receivable account. So when a drawer hand over the bill to his creditor, this is the journal entry which we have to pass. Creditor will be debited and bills receivable account will be credited. Okay. The bill is moving out from the drawer's hand to the creditor. Debit the receiver. Who is the receiver of the bill? Creditor is the receiver of the bill. So we have debited him. And bills receivable is an asset. When asset decreases or when asset move out of the business, it is to be credited. Now let us do one problem. Dev owes rupees 10,000 to Krishan. On 1st May 2019, he sent his promissory note for the amount payable after 3 months. On 1st June 2019, Krishan endorses the promissory note in favor of Wahid, to whom he owed the like amount. On the due date, they paid the amount. Pass the journal entry in the books of Krishan, Dev and Wahid. So here you can see the sentence is Dev owes to rupees 10,000 to Krishan. So Dev have to give some 10,000 rupees to Krishan. So it may be some credit transaction have taken place and because of which Dev is supposed to pay 10,000 rupees to Krishan. Now on 1st May what happened? He sent his promissory note. So Krishan is a drawer here. So he is drawing a promissory note on Dev. Okay. So on 1st May it is Krishan sent a promissory note to Dev. It is a 3-month promissory note. So see, we have to pass journal entry in the books of Krishan, Dev and also Wahid. Okay. So here on 1st May 2019, what journal entry you will pass? You will pass the journal entry for bill which is accepted by Dev and it is returned back to Krishan. So what journal entry he will make? Bills receivable account debited to Dev account. So here Krishan is receiving the bill from Dev after acceptance. So that journal entry we have to pass bills receivable account to Dev account. The bill amount is of 10,000 and it's on 1st May which that bill is received by Krishan after Dev's acceptance. So narration will be in the promissory note received from Dev. Okay, the same entry in the books of Dev, what he will write as a journal entry, they will mention that he have given acceptance to the bill which is sent by Kishan, and now the bill have been sent back to Kishan. So what will be the journal entry? 2019 May 1, Kishan account debited to bills payable account 10,000. Be in the promissory note given to Krishan. Okay, so that is the two journal entry we saw in journal entry in the books of Kishan as well as Dev. This entry will not be passed in Wahid's account because this transaction is between Kishan and Dev. Okay. On 1st June 2019, Kishan endorses the promissory note in favor of Wahid, to whom he owed the liked amount. So Kishan had one creditor for the same amount 10,000, and that creditor is Wahid. So Kishan is supposed to pay 10,000 to Wahid. Okay, so he decided to endorse that as a promissory note, to Wahid on 1st June. So what entry will Kishan pass in his journal entry as a journal entry? June 1, Wahid account will be debited 10,000 to bills receivable account. See, he is sending that bill to Wahid. So who is the receiver of that bill? Wahid. So Wahid have been debited to bills receivable account. Bill is moving out of the Kishan's hand, so it decreases. As it is decreasing, so you will pass bills receivable in the credit side. Be in the bill from Dev endorse in favor of Wahid. So this is the entry made in the books of Kishan. But will this entry be passed in Dev's account? No, because the transaction is between Kishan and Wahid. So we have passed the entry in the books of Kishan. Now what Wahid will pass as an entry? Wahid is receiving the bill. So he will make the entry on June 1. Bills receivable account debited 10,000. And who is the giver? Kishan. So debit the receiver, credit the giver. Isn't it? So giver is Kishan, so his account will be credited with 10,000. Be in the acceptance of Dev received from Kishan. So that promissory note which was accepted by Dev have been received to Wahid from Kishan. So that entry have been passed. Now on due date, when is that due date? On 1st May, it's the date of the bill. After 3 months, that means on August 4, the bill is falling due. On the due date, what happened? They have paid the amount. Here, we will not pass the journal entry in the books of Kishan because he is not receiving the money. So where we will pass this entry? We will pass in Wahid's book. Okay, August 4, he is receiving the cash. So debit what comes in. So cash is coming in. So cash will be debited with 10,000. And what get cancelled here? To bill receivable account 10,000. The bill which was accepted as a credit transaction, that will get cancelled because Wahid had received the cash for that bill. Be in the amount received against the Dev's acceptance. Okay. So he received the cash, so we debited him. And bill receivable account will be credited as it get cancelled. You can see one debit and one credit. That means the bill get cancelled. Okay, and we pass the entry in the books of Wahid. Now for Dev, what is the journal entry? They have paid the money. So what entry we will pass? August 4. Bills payable account debited 10,000 to cash account 10,000. Be in the amount of the promissory note paid. So as cash is going out, cash is decreasing, so we will credit the cash and bills payable will get cancelled. See, one credit and one debit. That means this bill have cancelled as they have paid the money to Wahid. Okay, so this is the This is how you have to pass the journal entry when the bills are endorsed. Okay, so this is case 3. Now let us discuss case 4. Case 4 is when the bill is sent to bank for collection. Person receiving the bill of exchange may retain the bill till maturity and receive the amount as per the bill. But in order to ensure safety, he may send it to his bank with instruction that the bill be retained and realized on the due date. So what does that mean? You can see here, drawer who receives the bill after acceptance from the drawee, he can deal with 4 options with that bill. Either he can retain the bill till maturity, and if he have to maintain a more safety path, he can go for he can send the bill to his bank for collection. So he can direct the bank to collect the bill money from the drawee on maturity date. Okay, so for the purpose of safety, the drawer, instead of retaining the bill with himself, he is sending the bill for collection to his bank. So what journal entry we will pass here? Bills sent for collection account debited to bills receivable account. The bill is sent for collection and the bill is going out, so bill receivable will be credited. Who is the receiver of the bill? Bank. So bill is sent for collection to the bank. That account will be debited to bills receivable account. Now let us see one problem for better understanding. A 2-month bill for rupees 60,000 is drawn by B and company and accepted by C and company. Okay, so a 2-month bill, it is of rupees 60,000, which is drawn by, who is the drawer? B and company. And who accepted that bill? C and company. Payable at the Bank of India. So this bill have been sent for collection to the Bank of India. Okay, who sent this bill for collection to Bank of India? It is sent by the drawer of the bill. Okay, B and company gives the bill to bank for collection. On due date, bill is honored. Show what entry will be passed in the books of B and company. So you have to pass the account in the books of B and company. See here, students. Here, B and company is the drawer and C and company is the acceptor of the bill. B is the drawer is sending the bill for collection. Okay. So your B is the drawer, C is the drawee, and the bill is sent for bank by B for collection. So what entry we have to pass in the books of B? That we have to let us see that. So B and company journal entry, bills receivable account debited to C and company. So after the bill's acceptance from C, the bill have been received by B. What entry he will make? Bill receivable account debited to C and company. So I have received the bill from C and company after acceptance. So at that time this entry will have to be passed for 60,000 as an amount column. B in the acceptance received from C and company. Next, this bill have been sent. You can see after the bill have been received by B after C's acceptance, we have passed one entry. Now this bill is sent for collection. What will entry you will pass? Bill sent for collection account debited 60,000 to bills receivable account 60,000. So here is the narration, being the bill sent to bank for collection on due date. Okay, now what happens on due date? On due date, the bill is honored. Honored means we have received the amount of the bill money. Okay, so here what entry you will pass? As you have directed the bank to collect the money on behalf of you, so we have to pass the entry for bills sent for collection in our book also, that is drawer's book also, this entry will be passed. Bank account debited to bills sent for collection account 60,000, being the amount collected by bank for bills sent for collection. Normally, if we see the rest of the two entry, that is rest of the two cases, that is endorsement and discounting, normally this entries, when it is honor, it is not passed in drawer's account, because the actual receiver of the money is the bank in case of discounting of bill, and in case of endorsement it is the endorsee who is receiving the bill money. So we will not pass the money received at the time of honoring of bill in the books of drawer. But in case of retaining the bill and when the bill is sent for collection, in those two cases we have to pass the entry for honoring of the bill, that is bank will be debited as drawer have received the cash 60,000 from the drawee, that is C and company. So bank will be debited with 60,000 to bills sent for collection account 60,000, as it is in the bill is right now in the bank for the purpose of collection. So the narration which we have to pass here is being the amount collected by bank for the bill sent for collection. So this is the three entry which you have to pass in the books of the drawer. That is, first is the bill received after acceptance from the drawee. Next is the bill sent to bank for collection, and third one is the bill is honored and we receive the cash from the drawee. The amount is collected in the bank account. Okay, so these are the three journal entries. Now let us see quickly transaction journal entries in all these cases, that is sales. We saw that in case of sale, debtor will be debited and sales account will be credited. In both the case, that is when the bill is endorsed as well as when the bill is sent for collection, in both these cases drawer's entry will be debtor account to sales account. And what will be the journal entry in the books of drawee? Purchase. For him it is a purchase, credit purchase to creditor account. Okay, when the bill is accepted by the drawee, what entry we will pass in the books of when the bill is endorsed as well as when the bill is sent to collection? The same journal entry, bills receivable account debited to debtor account, bills receivable account debited to debtor account. In the books of drawee, what will be the entry? Drawee will be debited to bills payable account. For drawee it's bills payable, and for drawer it is bills receivable. Okay, here now treatment of the bills. As you know that there are four options available to the drawer with deal with the bill, but we are discussing the case 3 and 4 here. So in that case what journal entry we have to pass? Endorsee will be debited to bills receivable account. He is the receiver, endorsee is the receiver of the bill, hence it is debited to endorsee account. And in case of bills sent for collection, the bank is the receiver of that bill, so we will debit bills sent to collection account will be debited to bills receivable account. Here in the books of drawee there is no entry because it is the dealing between the drawer and the endorsee, and in case 4 it is the dealing with the drawer and the bill sent for collection. Okay, now when on honoring of the bill, or when bill of exchange is met on due date. Met on due date means the drawee is making payment of that bill, but there will be no entry in the books of drawer because the bill is right now with endorsed or sent to bank for collection. So we will not pass that entry in the books of endorse. And when on the due date in the books of drawer, when the bill is sent for collection, the entry will be bank account will be debited to bill sent for collection account. Okay, so right now we have discussed that problem. So this is the journal entry, and in the books of drawee, what will be the entry? Bills payable account debited to drawer account. Okay, so this is the entry. Now when the bill is dishonored, if the bill is dishonored, what will be the entry? Debtor will be debited to endorsee account, and for in case when the bill is sent for collection, debtor will be debited to bill sent for collection account. And for drawee, bills payable will be debited to drawer account. And if there is noting charges, you just have to include that money, noting charges amount, to this journal entry. That amount will differ. Okay, but in case of bills sent for collection, debtor will be debited to bills sent for collection account to cash account. So to cash is the noting charges which you have to include separately. Okay, and in the books of drawee, the entry will be bills payable account, noting charges account debited to drawer account. See, only one the difference between these two is one, noting charges have been included when the bill has been dishonored. So any one of the case will be there in your problem. So which is the case? If it is noting charges, then this journal entry you have to pass, and if noting charges not included, then this journal entry will be passed. Okay, so these are the list of journal entry in the books of drawer and drawee when the bills are endorsed or sent to bank for collection. So children, we have come to a conclusion of today's class. We are about to wind up this chapter. So we have discussed when the goods are sold on credit, to give acknowledgement to that debt, a bill of exchange or a promissory note is an instrument which is used by both the seller as well as the buyer. Okay, so you have to understand the concept and study the journal entry related to each of these case. Attend the test paper attached and go through some more problems from your textbook. Meet you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.